My name is Dermot Brabazon, and within the Advanced Metallic Systems Centre for Doctoral Training, I am the Director of the Republic of Ireland region for the Centre for Doctoral Training. The AMS CDT is the Advanced Metallic Systems Centre for Doctoral Training. It's a new centre for doctoral training between the Republic of Ireland and the UK, where we train doctoral students in the area of metallic systems. There are 19 students in total, and they take coursework in UCD in Dublin City University in Dublin, in Manchester University, and the University of Sheffield as well. So the students spend time in each location getting trained on different technical aspects and different personal and professional development skill aspects. At the end of the doctoral training program, the students will graduate with a certificate in advanced metallic systems skills, but also in personal and professional development skills. Then they also graduate with the PhD thesis. So there's a large training element within the centre that includes both technical and personal and professional development skills aspects. The ambition for the CDT is to train the next generation of leaders in the area of advanced metallic systems through the UK and Ireland. We take a highly skilled group of 19 PhD students into the cohort each year, and we train them to a very high level, such that when they go into industry after the 4 years, that they can lead industry into a very profitable, strong industry within the region. The Centre for Doctoral Training is funded through the EPSRC in the UK and through SFI in Ireland. Within the Irish cohort of the Centre for Doctoral Training students, we have 5 PhD students funded each year to go through the training programme, and that funds their technical skill development and training, and their personal and professional development skill development and training. It also funds further travel to the partner institutions to get the training at the best training available and the best facilities available for their PhD work and also for the training aspects. The AMS CDT Centre for Doctoral Training is a PhD with a difference, because the students going through those PhDs are going through in a cohort manner rather than an individual manner, in that they get group training and they get group projects which are prescribed by industry. So they get a lot of contact with industry during the PhD, and outside of the cohort itself, the individual PhD project is company prescribed. So they're working very closely with industry through the modules that they do, and also through the actual project that they're focused on for their own PhD. The industry sponsors within the AMS CDT for the Irish-based students are Stryker, Oriel and Fion for this year. In the Stryker projects, the students are focused on development of metallic orthopedic implants. In the Oriel project, it's development of magnesium-based solutions for healthcare and ICT industries. And in the Fion project, it's development of metallic needle drug delivery systems.